Hey everybody, welcome to Body Circuit. Glad you stopped by. We're here to start the 90-day challenge, which starts this coming Monday, September 17th. Remember, the first coaching call is going to be September 16th for the Open Your Box. That way we'll go over all the products you're going to be using through the program. Also, I know some of you are going to be doing the boot camp and the Zumba classes. However, I know schedules are hard. So in your 90-day package, we included some exercise routines that you could do at your leisure from home. Doesn't necessarily mean you have to run to the gym to do these. These are really easy to do. Small amounts of equipment needed, no equipment at all if you want. Anyways, so what we'll do is we'll do a series of exercises. We'll break each one down individually, so you can just, instead of watching a whole video, you can go directly to the exercise that you might be having a hard time or can't remember exactly how to do. I know some of you haven't been exercising for a long time. I know some of you have never exercised, and I know some of you have been off and on over a long period of time. So it's a good way to reintroduce the exercises and get to know them a bit better. Anyways, so in your packet, we're going to start with the first beginner workout. And you know, it's not about how much you do in a workout, it's about being consistent. So as long as you're doing at least 15 minutes a day of exercise over the next 90 days, that's much more of an improvement than doing nothing at all. From that point on, you can increase the exercises. I'll give you options to do sets and reps. At the end of this series, I'll kind of break down the workout. We'll talk about it a bit. Anytime you need help or coaching, just give us a call. You have a whole list of coaches available to you, and you can also go to the private Facebook group for the Cleanse and Replenish 90-Day Challenge. However, I think we're going to start with the first exercise, which is simply a squat. And I made a chart for you guys to keep track of how many you can do. Now, you might be only able to do 5 or 10 in the beginning, but if you keep track of every week and see how you progress and see what gains you've made, that's going to make a big difference. And also, too, when we're talking on the phone, I can help you figure out where do we need to change some things up to get you some better results or get you feeling like you're a little bit more confident in your workouts. All right, so the first exercise is a squat. Now, a squat can be done freestanding. Sometimes if you've never done a squat, you might want to use a chair. So I'm just going to pull in a chair. And I also have a ball here too. So if you've got a ball at home, you might want to do that. So simply what you want to do is just have your feet shoulder width. Just sit down on the chair, throw your shoulders back and down, pull your abdominals in, make sure your spine's all aligned. Draw the belly button into the spine. You're going to push through your heels and stand up. Now maybe at first when you sit down, you struggle getting back up. Just kind of unload just partially and then push up through your heels. Squeeze your bum, but don't thrust your hips forward, just to squeeze in the butt. So you're going to sit down and come up. So this is easy for your beginner workout. I'll show you the ball one as well against the wall. And again, you can do these at home, even when the kids are home. I know it's hard sometimes to get a workout in, but sometimes you have to say to your kids, Mommy needs 15 minutes and then I'll be a better mommy. So it's okay. So feet shoulder width, you're leaning back into the ball, shoulders back and down. You want that chin up and lifted and your eyes looking forward. And you're just going to sit back in that chair, making sure that your knees are tracking over the center of your foot. And then you're going to come up to the top and squeeze your bum together. So it's straight down and straight up. So as you're doing this, you know, do as many. What if you can only do 5? That's okay. It's 5. Mark it down on the paper. Keep track of what you're doing, because that's the only way you know if you're progressing. If you can do 10, then fine. Do 10, do 15, do 20. It's only body weight. We're using your body weight that you have on your body at the present time. Later on, you can advance this exercise, adding some resistance, dumbbells. All right. So there's your first exercise in the beginner workout. So go ahead and click through the other exercises. I'm going to line them all up in order that you can do them. Thanks.